Okay, we're going to do a fitment today on a 2024 Mustang. And whether you have the GT or the EcoBoost, this fitment is without the performance pack, which has just a little different spoiler on it. This particular model has what we typically call adaptive cruise or driver assist, which usually has a camera in the center. But for Ford, see if I can get a good picture here. They have an equipment pack called, it's the Group 401A, and it has a Ford CO-PILOT 360 assist on it, which means in the lower center of your car, there's a sensor there. So if you mount the bracket in the center, it's going to set that sensor off. So we're going to offset it to the driver's side. So if you don't have that package, then you can go ahead and center mount it. But if you do, you're going to need to mount it off to the side here. So the other, the normal bracket would be right in the center. Right where that box is where that sensor goes. So we're going to mount it off on the driver's side here so we can get clear that sensor.
Okay, so now we're going to remove, because this vehicle is equipped with the Ford's 360 Assist Plus, I believe it's a package 401A. We're going to mount it off the side, so we're going to use the screw just right of center, and then we're going to use one just right of that as you're looking at the car, or that would be left of center if you're in the driver's seat, and left if you're sitting in the driver's seat. So we're going to take our 7mm socket and remove the 4.2 by 25 screw. The factory screw we're going to be taking out and reusing. Okay, once the screws are out, we're going to take our base plate. We're going to take the factory screw that we just removed, put it through the base plate, through the bottom. Get the ring out of the way there. Start it in the hole. And then start the second one. There you go. Then we're going to take our ratchet, 7mm socket, and tighten them up. Again, these are factory screws that we took out that we're putting right back in. Again, you can, because it's going into a metal J-clip, you can tighten these. Don't be afraid to give them a good turn. And then, as you can see, nice and solid. So then, take your front plate, slide it in, pull the ring, get it past the ring, push it till it clicks into place.
And as you can see, that one is on the driver's side. So we clear the sensor in the front there, and then your front license plate will go on that front plate, and you're done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket, like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.